They say a goal without a plan is just a wish. In your business, planning and scheduling pending tasks are a top priority to even out the workload and make better use of your and your technicians' time. That's why you need a reliable system that encourages preparation while simplifying the planning process. Introducing EMDECS. EMDECS is your one-stop shop virtual business partner that helps you set appointments and schedule the work required. Easily keep track of preventative maintenance scheduling, organize mass recall campaigns, manage customer repair requests, and so much more. This is just one aspect of the robust EMDECS system that helps bring more clarity and efficiency to your workshop operations. So, are you ready to take control of your time again? Let EMDECS declutter your workload. Visit brightorder.co.uk to schedule a free demo with us today.